Euchre. Let us try to understand the molecular orbital diagram for nitrogen molecule. A nitrogen molecule has two nitrogen atoms. As atomic number of nitrogen is 7, which means there are 7 electrons in nitrogen. So the electronic configuration of nitrogen is helium 2s2 2p3. As nitrogen molecule has two nitrogen atoms, we need to first consider atomic orbitals of nitrogen. Atomic orbital of nitrogen are 1s, 2s and 2p. In 1s, there are two electrons which are paired. In 2s, there is also another pair of electron, and 2p orbital is half weight. As the energy of three 2p orbitals, that is 2px, 2py and 2pz are same, they will have these three electrons distributed equally amongst them. So there are 3 electrons in 2p orbital. As it is a nitrogen molecule, we need to consider another nitrogen atom. And the energy of 1s orbital of these both nitrogen atoms are equal. And also the 2s and 2p orbitals will have equal energy. As molecular orbitals are formed from these atomic orbitals, we need to combine them and form molecular orbitals. Like valence bond theory, molecular orbital theory also considers conservation of atomic orbitals, which means two atomic orbitals will give two molecular orbitals. If there are three atomic orbitals, they will give, which means in molecule, if there are two atomic orbitals, when they overlap, they will form two molecular orbitals. If there are three atomic orbitals that will overlap and form a molecule, then there will be three molecular orbitals. So here there are two molecular orbitals of two nitrogens and they will form two molecular orbitals. Similarly, the 2s will form another two. There are three 2p orbitals in one nitrogen atom. So this total 6 orbitals of both the nitrogen will give 6 molecular orbitals. While filling these molecular orbitals, we need to consider Aufbau principle and Pauli's exclusion principle. That means we need to fill first the lower energy orbitals, then the higher energy orbitals. And also, not more than 2 electrons can be present in one molecular orbital. As we combine two atomic orbitals of nitrogen, we have two molecular orbitals. Since it is 1s orbital is combining, it will form a sigma bond by axial overlap. 1s orbitals, there are total 4 electrons. So these 4 electrons will occupy the bonding as well as anti-bonding orbitals of nitrogen molecule. Similarly, there are two 2s orbitals of these nitrogens and they have 4 electrons in total. So these 4 electrons will occupy the bonding sigma 2s and sigma star 2s anti-bonding orbital. Now 2p orbitals, there are 3 electrons each in both the nitrogen atom. When we try to fill these orbitals with the electron according to the Aufbau principle and Pauli's exclusion principle, these 6 electrons occupy pi 2py and pi 2pz and sigma 2px orbitals, while pi star 2py and pi star 2pz and sigma star 2px, which are anti-bonding orbitals, here are empty. The electronic configuration of nitrogen molecule is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2 py, which is equal in energy with pi 2 pz, pi 2 p2, pi 2 pz2, sigma 2 px2, and the anti-bonding orbitals, they don't have any electrons, so pi star 2 py 0, pi star 2 pz 0, sigma star 2 px 0. With the help of molecular orbital diagram, we can calculate the bond order of nitrogen molecule. Formula for that is bond order is equal to n dot b, that is number of electrons in bonding, minus n dot a, that is number of electrons in antibonding orbitals, divided by 2. So we need to count the electrons in bonding orbitals. Sigma 1s is a bonding orbital, sigma 2s is a bonding orbital, pi 2 py and pi 2 pz is a bonding orbital, and sigma 2 px is also a bonding orbital. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 2 8, and plus 2 10. So there are total 10 electrons in bonding orbitals. And in antibonding orbitals, that is sigma star 1s, sigma star 2s, and pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, and sigma star 2px, we have 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that comes to 4 electrons in antibonding molecular orbital. The bond order in nitrogen molecule is 10 minus 4 divided by 2, which comes to 3. Means there are 3 bonds between 2 nitrogen atoms. The Lewis structure of the nitrogen can be written like this, where it completes its octet, and when we consider the 3 bonds, we can also write it like this. So there is one sigma bond, which is sigma to px, and there are 2 pi bonds, which is pi to py and pi to pz in a nitrogen molecule. देव बरे करो.